Okay, so we're going to put together a short video here for you on how to navigate Teams. To get started, the Teams app icon is the purple icon with the T at the bottom of the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up, and it should look something like this when you open it up. We've created a demo student here just to help walk you through what Teams looks like. I'm also going to use this application here, and this is just a little pointer to help show you where I'm tapping so it's easier for you to follow along. Okay, so to get started then, we're first going to tap on the bottom of the screen here on Teams. Now when you do this, this opens up all the classes that your student has. Your student will probably have more than one. Again, this is just a demo student. And to access each individual classroom, tap that drop down and hit General, and it would bring you to a screen that looks like this, where you have Conversations and Files and Tabs at the top. Now in Conversations, this actually you could scroll up and down here with Conversations, and there would be lots of things, lots of posts. Homework would be listed here, updates of what's happening in the classroom, things like that. So a lot of things happening in the Conversations tab. It's almost kind of like a Facebook feed. If we go ahead and tap on Files and Tabs, we see there's a couple different areas that we can go. The first one we're going to look at is Files. And again, this just contains general files for the classroom. For instance, there's a video that's posted here. There is a PDF here that's posted as well. If you go into some of these different folders here, again, more things that are posted, background info, just all kinds of general information here on the class. Okay, so lots of information in that Files and Tabs. Under Files, the other thing you can look at here, which is pretty important, is the Assignments folder. Now in this Assignments folder that we're in right now, the way we got to that is only going to show the assignments for the classroom that you are in. Okay, and again, you can see what those assignments look like. You can tap on each individual one. You can see if it's been turned in, or if there's been points awarded or anything like that. Now for a student to turn in an assignment, they have to go ahead and add their work. They have to select the file from the class, or from their iPad, which we don't have one right now. And then you can see here up in the upper right, it has that turn in button. So they've got to upload it and then go ahead and make sure they hit that turn in button to turn in an assignment. Okay, so that's basically what you would look at in an individual class. If you want to look at their assignments as a whole, you go ahead and look at the assignments at the bottom of the screen. Now this will show you again the assignments for all of their classes, not just the classroom that you had selected from the teams. So this gives you an overall look at each individual assignment for each class. Okay, again, this is just our demo student, so we only have one classroom. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and hopefully we can create more for you in the future. Thank you.